आज हम लोग मना रहे हैं, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग at India Charts the Strike Money's third birthday, a celebration that we started in 2023 around the 15th of June. The creation of a platform जो कि हर इन्वेस्टर, हर ट्रेडर अपनी जर्नी को सफलता की तरफ ले जा सके। क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो सब लोग जानते हैं वो कि रिसर्च फील्ड में रहा है। 30 सालों से मैं रिसर्च के एरिया में मैंने काम किया, और जो भी काम किया इसमें मेरा अप्रोच हमेशा रहा है कि हर जो तकनीक है, मतलब टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस, इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस, वॉट एवर इज देयर, I needed to apply and use everything in coming up with my results, my decision of where the market is going, what stocks I want to invest in. And when you have such a comprehensive approach and you want to take it to people, then the first thing you need is some very good platforms, tools, softwares to be able to help you do that. Now I have used many of them over time, क्योंकि जब हम लोग रिसर्च में काम करते हैं तो at institutional brokers, at various levels, कई सॉफ्टवेयर हैं जो कि काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव हमें पड़ते हैं. We end up paying 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees for these software. But some of these software takes a lot of time to give you the results that you want. So it's not that the software is bad, but because they are legacy software, बहुत ही पुराने हैं, तो इनमें जब हम लोग कुछ स्कैन्स या फिल्टर्स डालते हैं, थोड़ी भी डिटेल डालते हैं कि मुझे फंडामेंटली स्टॉक ऐसा चाहिए, तो वो कभी कभी प्रोसेस करने में आधा घंटा, पौना घंटा भी लगा देता है. सो दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड वे प्रोसेसिंग इज इंस्टेंटेनियस. और डेटा भी जो है वो डेमोक्रेटाइज हो गया है, which means that it is available to everybody. All investors, traders have access to market data. So it is no more something which is only limited to big investors. So the differentiator really is the analyst and his ability to do what he does in an Excel sheet. So why not me be able to bring all of that productivity on one place where you can actually execute all your thinking within seconds, because it doesn't really take hours to do that. So the machine can do most of the front running for you. All you have to be able to do is think about what you want to look for. And of course, as we move towards the world of AI, you can ask AI to think for you. But of course, you have to ideate a little bit of what you want. So that's the speed at which we want to move. That's what we are trying to do. मैंने अपने एक्सेल शीट बनाना बंद कर दिए हैं. मेरे जितना डेटा पॉइंट्स थे, जितने डेटा पॉइंट्स जो मैं अपने शीट्स पे और चार्ट्स पे मैन्युअली बनाता था, वो सब अभी स्ट्राइक मनी प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल हो गए हैं. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस, डेरिवेटिव्स डेटा, but also sentiment data and every piece of information that the NSE will put out, we will try to incorporate, computerize it into data, into charts, ताकि विजुअल एक्सपीरियंस आपका बढ़िया हो जाए और आप स्कैन करके रिजल्ट्स अपने इमीडिएटली ढूंढ के डिसीजंस जो हैं वो ले पाओ. So the idea for all this came because we've been training people in our mentorship programs, and when I had to actually give them something to use, nothing was readily available. And the tools which are there, they are expensive and time consuming. So we had to spend a lot of time teaching them how to use each and every tool, which was painful. So to simplify all of that, we thought the best way is to have something of our own, and which is one place where we'll have to just teach people, see, come here, do this, look at this, and your results are done. So with that idea, we've been able to create what I think is going to be one of the most unique, platforms for data analytics and information as far as financial markets are concerned. And we will not leave any corner unturned to be able to achieve that. So let me give a big thank you and shout out to all of you who've been subscribing year after year and supporting our cause, making it possible for us to keep moving ahead, and also wishing the Strike Money team leaps forward and all the support and help that they've been giving. So it's like a big team, a big family that has been working together. But I invite everyone who's listening to this to become part of this family, part of this movement that we are doing at India Charts, trying to cover every aspect of market analysis and eventually make people empowered to be able to take their own decisions. That's where Strike Money's big role is. That's where we've gone from just giving research to actually having a product, actually developing something that I can give back to society, to people, to be able to use and improve their results in financial markets, improve their journey, improve their lives over the time that they will really do. But of course, it has a calling, because when people invest in mutual funds and invest in various investment schemes, what they are really looking at is index rates of return. Okay, or they're looking at index rates of return plus an alpha, because if the fund manager is good, he definitely give you something better. But if you're trying to do even better than that, like the big investors and the big traders out there, then none of them are really doing it that way. They are all self-made, they're all self-investors, and for that you have to put in some amount of work using, of course, your research capabilities and maybe a little bit of mindset, because research can now be done using a powerful data platform. But if you just put a little bit of effort to get that output from these systems, get yourself educated to how to do a little bit of analysis on your own for your money, then you can really beat all the investment managers out there. And that is what you should aspire for if you're really looking at creating great wealth. And I think Strike Money will become your go-to platform to help you achieve that. So with that goal in mind, we'll continue to strive forward and improve the platform, make it better and better every day, every year, and looking forward to all of you joining us on this journey. Thank you.